kada bito kada bulmay kita mga chirbi kim.
Ano le?
Tua
di ano binaka na bito kada bulmay dotan nga na day adi simende.
Pagkatuwa. Bounce back. No surrender.
Luto sa nga ko sao.
Wen karabi choweli, siya binameluto na sao.
Ada benak kim na bito kada bulmay na matag di kuah. Mo di benak kada bulmay mati. Ada benak kim na rabi to lili. Di sabat cuma rabi to lengo di salan matag di kuah kim na ngon di buli. Kada cuma and bagi mga bulu and to all the teachers planning their holidays.
Yes, and today too,
Yeah.
class 8 will be receiving their
Examination
results.
Yeah.
Yes.
FEYE.
FEYE examination results.
Good
Wow.
morning. Yeah. Thank you to all the students.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Whatever
teachers.
things that are received by the children, please calm them down if they are not in the path
Yeah.
of examination. Love them.
Yes.
Show your appreciation of whatever they receive from the result. Thanksgiving
Yes.
to them.
True.
And also to Rohil Chan Chaudhary from Sun City.
Oh.
Good morning to you and the family.
Right.
And on
Minivan. All over the country, Fiji-wide.
Yes.
To all the minivan drivers, we say, Yana Benak and welcome to our Chupalangi show. Baka kilo bikin balik na pas dia. Di sabat suka maya na matari ko. Why do the children suffer from lamea?
Because too much sweets. Because parents are giving them too much sweets.
Okay.
Lolly, bonbon, during grog time, they come, the kids are there.
Okay.
They see
So
the
everything sweet,
chisa, yes.
We should be careful, what we are giving the children this Christmas.
Karua John Turangan Bedi and Benaka.
Don't Benak.
Yeah, and why, if you said sweet
Yes.
to the children, cost them lamia, and why some of us married, we say you are so sweet, and we never get anything for the feedback.
That's a good question, there, Messi. Sweetness for the kids, they have lamea.
Yes.
Sweetness for the adults, nothing, no lamea.
Yes,
Yeah.
no lamia, but still sweet.
That's why that's the reason why we ask this question.
Yeah.
That is, you want to fish, you are fishing right then.
What kind of
You saying
sweetness do you
sweets,
attack?
Sweet
We
words.
attack the inner sweetness.
Aha.
And Benaka, and Benaka, Mrs. Kumar, joining all the way from Singatoka this morning.
Oh,
Yeah.
Mrs.
Millie P.
Kumar,
Yeah.
Millie.
And
Good
also
morning. Good Kumar will come and see you today
John Kumar and Benaka.
with a big watermelon.
Mes Nasalu, Calamity Rocco, and also to the people all the way from the Fiji island of Fiji.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not forgetting the outer island of Fiji from the overseas
Right.
base.
Right.
Hey, a lot
This
of pictures too being sent in because of the students getting DAX award. Hey, congratulations to all the
Congratulations.
students receiving prizes.
Right.
Thank you for working hard in this academic
Civic Tawa,
year,
Simeon and Bituanga.
2025.
Dina Sara, Dina Sara,
Right.
Dina
To
Sara.
all the teachers, hard-working teachers.
Yeah.
You know, and don't kaya matalibia unanorito utoribolo may na modern secondary school.
In Lao,
Very beautiful, yes.
Oi.
They had the red carpet where the
For the students?
For the students. They
Say.
will walk, and the parents and
Yeah.
the kids,
Yeah.
not the very young ones,
Yeah.
are sitting right in front to
Yeah.
witness the Form 7 and all the when the prize getters,
Yeah.
they walk up the red carpet,
Oh,
and
no.
also they are giving prizes,
Yeah.
not only to the students but also the teachers, hardworking teachers.
Woi, ya sensor nggak?
Yes.
Kacau nggak?
100% pass rate.
I smell.
Yeah. Memang tabi Facebook,
Ah.
Okay. How many number of muscles are there in the body, Messi? Just guess matanga.
There are so many muscles in the body.
Yeah.
Depending on which category you are.
Right. Yeah.
If you are fatfulness,
Yeah.
Yes.
if you are fatfulness, you are not much muscle.
Oh.
You got so many fat.
Oh.
Right.
Na oily.
Yeah.
If you are skinny fella,
Yeah.
you won't able to reach so many muscle.
Okay.
But if you are bodybuilder,
Yeah.
you'll get much more muscle by 6 in your eyesight.
A total of 689 muscles.
Yeah.
Okay. Number of milk teeth.
Milk teeth ngona mbati ba sudu.
Yeah, number tilomba sudu.
Yeah.
There are 37,
20.
20.
Where? Number of ribs.
There are absent ribs in our body for us male.
Okay, talk about
Why?
Mr.
Why
Davison.
Epson? Why?
Talk about the Epson one.
Okay.
Where?
Before
Where
we
is
are
it?
being created,
Yes.
we are being created from the cubes of the soso.
Right.
Eh?
Yeah.
So I've been created by the cubes of soso. That we all know.
Right.
Yes.
You know, one thing I used to imagine it.
Yes.
On we are men. We
Yes.
are men. We are being built. We are not fulfilled. Okay, tambuli banggo sing di tau ko sara.
Right.
Because if we are built with a fulfilled, we won't able to marry. There will be no women in this earth. And there will be no multiply on this earth.
Right.
There will be no other replacement on this earth. Korong orang buliliw, orang
Right.
bulatungango. Only 2 people will be in this. Only one Adam.
True. Truth.
Eh?
Truth.
Because the female that were bringing by the land,
Oh.
because they will still looking for their missing, the absent rib.
Oh.
The absent rib is causing trouble too to others. That cause trouble. Sometimes they're hitting us.
Number of vertebrae in the spine.
Vertebrae.
Yeah.
Vertebrae
Right.
come from the word vegetarian. The lack of green leaves in our mind. Hey! Oh, all the best to all the annual prize giving days to the Noko Noko District School from Singatoka, Salawa Mambimbi, John Kumar from Barara. This, the Noko Noko,
Right.
the one who coming for the field trip
Yes.
last week.
The
Yeah, yeah.
students.
To all the Noko Noko student, thank you
Yeah.
very much. Reus, thank you very much for the choosing the watching zone.
Yeah.
Hey.
Uh,
Any lawani
Studio.
bibi any lani bibi do yanrbinaka. This is from the city.
Yeah.
The city in Malambi.
Yeah.
Malambi, the city.
Whoa.
Yeah, they are tuning in this morning.
Average, can you guess the average length of the small intestine?
small intestine, with
How many meters?
the small intestine is very expandable.
Right, yeah.
Even though you can measure by width or
Right.
by length,
Yeah.
you measure by height, eh?
Yeah.
Like a balloon, kono balloon ni kwa karampa ko balaw.
Weather balloon.
Whether balloon ko rin nakani.
Okay, 7 meters.
Yeah, they are 7
Average
meters.
length of the large intestine,
Oh,
They are 14
okay.
meters.
1.5 meter.
Yeah.
1.5 meter.
Okay.
You got 17 meter.
Okay.
Mentar may tumba.
Nangauna when we were sometimes we get sick, eh?
Apakah
Kento,
tu nak
eh?
kangaroo ya?
Eh?
Yeah.
Nangauna kita tumate.
Right.
And ang garab nga ipalin na tumate. Hindi satu na palimbula.
Right.
So nung tutun talil boleh ko korle mimix tanga ko ngombo.
iya.
Sana radi mo bula ngunung muli nga
Puff
pagli
mixer,
karo.
right.
Matakino ay kata-kata. Nangauna ni kubui. Explain in the Outspalangi language.
Yes.
What is kubui for those people who don't know? Kubui.
Kubui.
Yeah.
Kubui is a form of transfer the hotness part of your body into a singular absent part of your both center.
Right. Ana kubui ya. Yeah.
Yeah.
Remove the coldness inside your body. You have to let the heat,
Heat.
enter your body.
Enter your body.
Right.
And
So
the dragon.
enter the dragon. So there are only 2 forms to enter the door.
Why? Okay. We only go to that area of recycle. Kaya baka endo ito mati. Eh?
Right.
Iko sana ng lako mulai
Kubui.
kubui.
Right.
Yeah.
The types of kubui.
Right.
Explain kira-kira.
There's a different types of kubui.
Right.
Some of us we kubui the vivendu.
Iya.
The renweli tangani.
Right.
The running guawa.
Iya.
We use them for kubui.
Iya.
And also for the ngingila.
Iya.
We used to for kubui.
Right.
Right.
But that's from the mouth.
Oh.
So
From the
the easiest part which you use
Right.
to kubui, to transform. Baleta may dake, and balabu may, there's a very
Right.
far from the mouth
The
to
distance.
come down the distance.
right.
Yeah.
But this one is
Hold
very
on.
short.
Before we go to that one, eh? Sakita mo naman how do we go about doing the kubui?
You use 3, 4, 5 tiger's blanket.
Oh.
Para tutubita.
Right.
You naked.
Right.
Ha?
Mulu-mulu ba? You luba-luba pa
Right.
kantua.
Alone.
Alone. Somebody to be there so that it can cover you.
Right.
Or can put the things back. So you open your mouth and breathe from the exhale part.
Oh.
You breathe. You breathe in. Meduru mana kata-kata na loma. Then you are there in front of the
So
Right.
nothing there.
Of
Nothing
the
in the
basin.
body.
Nothing, because if something is there, will begin waiting.
It will block the
Yeah.
yeah.
Because
The connection.
You need
yeah.
the heat
The coldness
from
to come
the
out.
water.
Yeah.
Yes.
You cover yourself inside, may kata-kata, so that you can
Water vapor.
the respiration of the water vapor come inside from the humidity.
Right. But you can make a bowl inside there To let the hot...
Kunimeke, otherwise you lose your concentration,
Yes.
you'll burn you.
Oh,
Naroon
yeah.
yung kamay.
Open your mouth, eh?
Open your mouth and ha.
Okay.
Yeah, you breathe. You open your mouth and breathe
Right.
from your mouth and your nose,
Yeah.
so that you can let the hotness enter your body
Right.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
That's one.
Yeah.
from the mouth.
Right.
But
The second one?
the second one is the shortest part of your body.
Oh.
Yeah. It's really hard or what?
It's really hard, but you need to do it so that you can alive in a more complicated way.
Right.
Okay.
Go na silimboro.
Oh.
Oh.
It's a form of kubu.
Very dangerous one.
Iyo, mo duro man na banua ba katambuy.
Okay.
Iyo silimboro narumula sa lasa tu.
Yeah.
If you
It-
want to
it work, it
mumbula.
works.
It does
Yeah.
work, yeah.
Yeah.
Our ancestors, they do that.
They
Yeah.
do.
Right.
Mo silimboro.
Okay,
Silimboro
explain.
Silimboro, you not do from the mouth.
Yeah.
The normal mouth.
Yeah.
You do it from the second mouth. Kuna binakata mo
Yes,
bikin so
yes,
that you
yes.
can let the hotness enter your body in
Yeah.
a
And be healed fast.
heal fast
Yes.
in a formal way.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So you put it there
Alright.
so that you can
Yes.
let the feeling
Oh.
feel.
So the thing is instant bulas di sa pangatakan na
Instant bola, balik
Galing.
sa bakila.
Right.
Bisa uti man nga ibidan na yaw sa bakila nga.
Right. And you know,
bisa kata-kata.
you are undergoing coldness right now in your body. We
Yeah.
can tell.
Maybe you
should,
should-
yes.
Use the capsicum.
Kaya pisikat sige ba ito mo. Medalangan mo ni Maro ta katuna sinsu to kanatawa siniyabak. Nagubul na bibukiyak.
Bumale.
Usapan nga ko dur ni buling ko rangon din tong kay bangkaran mo do kur ni buli. Kota sabi na kata sarangan do abura-bura lala.
Ya benar kami kira kata dormi kem di cikon mata-mata se dormi kem di cikon mata-mata. Da kubui.
Iyo,
Right.
kubuy.
Kubui dan ramai da kubui da
Iya.
ke macam sana rokete. Silo rokete.
Gori.
Eh?
Iyo. Labale bimindo moni.
Iya, sana
Orang John Kumar.
sana na kubui baya Sanjina. Okay.
Sir rawade.
May nunukoy.
Wai nunukoy koloni ralu. Mirya masaumaki. Ninta sa kubuy, nakipasa mata ka. Ken nanonton bulan di bisi nga. Ano bila ka kay Nongu? Bless Wednesday.
Iya.
Nonton bulan bisi nga. Nang nonton na numoken dan ni normal tu. So mo
Right.
na kubuy, ndam butu, ndam masi. Tanakang ko nang reba. Na to nang una. Sa wala man nang.
Wala kira ro cikon mata ngakini. Ralok ke dia.
May ni daru kubuy bata.
To sumai ne min dar kubui bata.
Kuni
Saya nggak sari berbimbita kan baten min dua. Ni lala cikon pale.
Kuni redan lala, kuni redan way kata-kata, redan no mumbulan din.
Baru na berata di birkat sarangon ni bulini.
Besu-
Wailo tua
Besok na
district
mata,
school.
Wala
besok
tua,
na
men.
mata kubuy.
Right. Tira
Yeah.
field trip